How to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. You want to go ahead and open up your Amazon.com application. Once you open the browser in the search bar, search for Amazon.com, and just like that, open a new tab and then search for Steam.com. You want to make sure you're logged into both your Steam and Amazon account. Inside Amazon, simply search for Steam gift card, and then you will then be able to find different kind of options. You want to go ahead and simply tap on the one that you prefer and then add this product to your cart. So once you have added it to your cart, you want to go ahead and simply tap on proceed to checkout, and at the checkout section you'll complete your purchase and the digital Steam card code will be sent to you on your email address linked to your Amazon and Steam account. So once you have received the code key in your email, simply copy the product key. It will be a string of numbers and characters. Once you have done that, open up Steam, then simply log into your account and head over to Steam Wallet. On your Steam dashboard, you'll see an option to redeem a code, paste the product key there and hit submit. And that's it guys, you have successfully claimed your Steam gift card through Amazon. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.